everyone, I am Jayla Mojiti Brabante, and now the topic is uncertainty again and again, because uncertainty, that different term, it's about music. In music, uncertainty can refers to both a mathematical concept and a deliberate aesthetic choice used to evoke a feeling of tension, doubt, or ambiguity in the listener. Uncertainty in music theory. From a technical standpoint, uncertainty in music is often related to the musician's uncertainty principle, which is analogous to the Heisenberg uncertainty principle in physics. Definition: it states that there is an inverse relationship between the precision of a note frequency pitch and its duration time. The shorter a note is, the wider the range of frequencies is contained, making its exact pitch less defined. Aesthetic application. Composers and musicians create music uncertainly by using techniques that deliberately violate or confuse a listener's expectations of established musical rules, creating a feelings or of disorientation or inclusiveness. Musical techniques that create uncertainty, a tonality or dissonance, using chords or melodic notes that do not belong to a clear, established key center or creating a high degree of harmonic friction, unresolved cadence, ending a music phrase or an entire song of a chord other than the tonic, the home chord, such as the dominant V, which makes the ending feel unfinished or lacking finality. Finality. Irregular rhythms, meter, using constantly changing time signatures or syncopations that deliberately de-embraces the expect downbeats, making the pulse feels unstable. Song example and lyrics. Uncertainty is often used thematically in popular songs to express confusions, anxiety, or doubt about a relationship or life in general. Song, Do I Wanna Know? Artist Arctic Monkeys, Theme of Uncertainty. The song is a masterful expression of relational uncertainty and indecision, focusing on the anxiety of seeing reass- reassurance from an ex-partner and the fear of the answer. Original lyrics. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? How uncertainty is expressed. A direct question expressing doubt about mutual feelings and the hesitation to seek the definitive answers. Maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. The speaker is in a state of limbo, unsure of their current relationship status and incapable of moving forward. Cause I've been sleeping next to her, but it's not the same. Confusion and dissatisfaction with the present coupled with uncertainty about how to proceed with others. This song music also reflects the theme It's a slow hyp- hypnotic beat and minor key riff create a mood of lingering tension and unresolving longing. That's all.